Welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. I am Daniel, your host of this monstrosity, and today I am actually going to be, it's not going to be a how-to video, it's actually going to be a, just kind of an update video on my spark plugs. I'll show you guys, I was going to show a picture of when I changed them, but I'll include that video at the end of this. That way you guys can see the plugs I pulled out of this car, as well as you could see the new plugs I put in, and then you'll get to see the old plugs that I'm going to be pulling out today, the NGKs. I am actually going to be replacing the NGKs with the AC Delco Iridium spark plugs. Supposedly they're made to last 100,000 miles, so I hope so. Also want to say thank you to all 352 subscribers. Can't thank you enough. While I have it on my mind, you see I'm wearing a Dirty Garage Mods hoodie. I have hoodies and t-shirts and hats and mugs. I like the mugs. I'm gonna have to order some of the mugs myself. But all really good merchandise. I'll include a link to that down below. I'll include, if I can find it, I'll include the Amazon link for the Iridium spark plugs for this G6. Also, I wanted to read through some of the comments on, it's just random, it's different videos. So, to Emilio, 2 months ago, he wrote, just changed the rack and pinion on my 2007 G6. This video definitely helped. You're welcome, Emilio. I'm glad you watched. I appreciate it. To Frankie Fio, he says, I've got a question for you. My car just started jerking all of a sudden on low speed and into high speed acceleration. Asked me if I ever come across this problem before. Yes, I have. I was actually working as I used my car for my work vehicle, and it just started doing it all at once, and I researched it. It said shut your car off, shut it off and just turn the key on for 15 seconds to where the dash lights light up, and then turn the key off, then start it, and it should fix the problem. And it did, it fixed the problem. It has something to do with gas, and there's a sensor of some type on top of the valve cover body, or valve covers, sorry. I'm not sure all the detail about it, I can't remember, it's been a few months ago. So, something for people to check out. Feel free to comment below if you have a different opinion about it. I love reading you guys' comments. Here's a video on my thermostat video, which is my #1 viewed video as of right now, pushing 20,000 views, and is recommended by YouTube. Second video recommended by YouTube. Says, hi, I have a 2008 Pontiac G6. It's running very fast. Running hot very fast. I have a small leak on the 3-way hose. Would you have any idea as to why it's running hot very fast? And I actually wrote him back. I said, if you have a leak in your coolant system, you will want to get that fixed. More or less, say, check out your system. Let's see. Someone asked me how much I charge to change a rack and pinion assembly, or not rack and pinion, but suspension assembly. Not a big deal. Let's see here. On the brake replacing my brake rotor video. Guy wrote, great job, keep up the good work. He had recently acquired a G6 and will enjoy the car once he restores and rebuilds some of it. That is Bill Watson. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Daniel Moto. This was on a Chevy Aveo. He says, I learned a lot. I have an 06 Aveo. Nothing but headache. Thank you, sir. I have a Pontiac G3, or it's my parents' G3, which is the same as Chevy Aveo. It's actually getting ready to be in the shop here in the next week or two. I'll be doing a series on that. My mother actually overheated the engine to the point that it won't start anymore, and I'm down to about 3 different thoughts on what it might be. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to pull the engine and probably replace it, but I want to pull the engine and see if my thoughts are correct before I do any of that. So, but yeah, pay attention to that. There'll be a series coming in for that. Testers and Wigs, they subscribe, and I subscribe back. Thank you for subscribing. Fred Waters, let's see. Nervous condition, for everybody that's wanting to know, it's a legitimate nervous condition. This was a question from a couple months ago. Guy thinks I'm an alcoholic. No, Fred Waters, I'm not an alcoholic. I don't drink at all. I don't do drugs. Believe it or not, people do have nervous conditions. It's just part of life. Parkinson's, mine's not Parkinson's, it's called BET, and it's not Black Entertainment Television for all you jokers out there. It's long meaning. So, let's see. What else? There are a lot of other different comments, but here's a guy, I can't pronounce his name. It starts with an N, NYCTOP something. Great video, man. I'm thinking about buying an 07 G6 convertible, and the rack needs replacement along with the lower ball joints. This video is going to save me a lot of money. Thanks a lot. So yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you order the parts from my affiliate. So, but yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it. There's a lot of other comments, but that's pretty much the gist of them. Also, while I got it fresh on my mind, go to DetroitAxle.com for suspension parts, brake rotors, brake calipers, you know, just anything that attaches to the wheel itself. They have all sorts of parts for a reasonable price. Check out, at checkout, use my promotion code, Daniel10, that's all together, uppercase, lowercase, does not matter, and you can save yourself 10%. Bear with them, shipping is a little bit slow right now. Due to the coronavirus deal going on, it's been a big headache, but they will get your parts out there to you. So, but anyways, yeah, I will cut back in here in just a little bit after I start pulling some spark plugs. So thank you for watching, and enjoy. Alright, so I wanted to show you, this is the Iridium spark plug that I'm going to be putting in there, and I'm going to show you the first spark plug, and I might take a picture of all these plugs when they're done, when I got them all out, and post somewhere here in the corner. That is the plug. That's an NGK copper, or copper platinum or something like that. It's completely burned, gone. It's wasted. I wonder why my car is running like shit. So that answers a lot of questions. Look at all that carbon buildup on there. I mean, it just breaks right off. That's crazy. It should not have been that bad off. So yeah, I just want to show you guys that. I'll stick a picture here at the end to show you guys all of them, so hang tight. Hey, I'm back, and as you can see, this is not a Pontiac G6. I had to pull my truck in here and do some work on it. I finished the spark plugs. I'll stick an image somewhere here on the screen, show you what they look like when they came out. And anyways, yeah, so it's just a quick review on spark plugs. Highly recommend that if you are changing your plugs, that you stick to the factory recommendation. Radium spark plugs are $7 a piece through your local auto parts dealer. Amazon link, if I can find it, will be down below, and I think they're $4 or $5 a piece on there. So, but other than that, yeah, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share my videos. Check out my merchandise link down below. It'll be bonfire.com/dirtygaragemods. Click it, check it out. A lot of good merchandise. You buy my merchandise, you help support my channel and help keep my channel alive. So, and please, by all means, share my videos and help boost my subscribers. One quick note, speaking of that, 98.1% of my views are not subscribed. That is a big chunk. So if you are subscribed, please watch my videos. Really helps my channel out. So, but with all that said, I gotta get done and get out here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.